What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your boy LB. So now, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to show you how you can make text behind an object, just like this. My name. So now, stick around. Let's jump in Premiere Pro right now. Guys, I choose this video clip to use because it is perfect to me. So now let me just add the text on it. As you see in my intro, let me just add my name. Just here you can change the font that is perfect to you. So now just let me choose the perfect one to me. Okay, so let me just use some shadows on my text. Okay, so now I increase it. So this is the settings of my shadow. Just you can increase it or you can smooth it. Just you can increase the opacity. So let me choose the different colors. Okay, this is perfect to me. Okay, so now extend this text where your clip it ends. So then after this, this is where my clip it will start, but I just want to start from left to right because it will pass through behind me. First, let me animate this effect first by using this position from one side to another side. Okay, yes, this one. Yes, it will move from one side to another side, just like this. So now I'm going to mask this text because it will pass through behind me, because in this video clip the subject is me. So now I'm going to duplicate this clip. Just you're gonna hold the Alt on your keyboard and then duplicate this clip. Okay, just put it on the top of this text layer, and then after I'm going to mask where my text will pass through behind me. So now let me mask myself. Okay, let me just zoom in. I just want to look well, or to mask well. Because it will pass into behind my back, because it is not necessary to mask all my body. Just this is enough. So now after mask this subject, so now I'm going to add mask path, because you see the ready keyframe it has begun. So now I'm going to animate frame by frame until my clip is done. So now let me just speed up. Guys, you have to mask where your subject is moving on, because it is frame by frame. Just you can use 1 frame or 2 frames. This is enough. So guys, masking is done. So now let me check how my video effect is. So now you see, this is perfect, bro.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.